Aloha and welcome again to Tell Us More. I'm Neilani Cuomo-Opek. This is my colleague,
Karen Schleif.
We are here today to talk to you about financing, what you need for when you're thinking about buying a home, because we know how scary that can be. So one of the first things that we hear a lot of is, I don't think I can afford to buy a home. I don't know how much it's going to cost. I don't know who I'm going to talk to. Well, relax, be comfortable. We have solutions for you. We've invited a very special guest today. This is Brant Matsuda. Brant Matsuda is with Hawaii Mortgage Experts. We worked together for several years, and he's going to give you an overall look at what it's like to get yourself a mortgage so you can buy your home. Let's start off with the most common question. Brant, how are interest rates trending these days?
Interest rates are unbelievably low right now. I've been in the industry for over 16 years and I've never seen it this low.
Oh my gosh.
We're looking at conventional. Yeah, definitely. We're looking at conventional rates as low as 2.625% with a 3.01 APR.
Wow,
yes, government programs are as low as 2.25% with an APR of about 2.652.
And these are fixed rates, like
These are
30 years?
30-year fixed
Wow.
rates, yes. It's crazy. A lot of the times we notice that when there's economy stress on the economy, such as what is going on, unemployment numbers, things like that, the economy needs banks to continue to run, and one of the biggest markets is, of course, the mortgage industry.
Yes.
So this is why rates are dropping so low. It's a great time.
Fantastic.
Mhm.
So as a first-time home buyer or somebody who's never bought in Hawaii, what do they need to know about mortgages?
One is they need to know that you actually don't need a lot of down payment to purchase a home. They have first-time home buyer programs such as USDA, which requires no down. With low interest rates as they are right now, very little to no closing costs, as well as VA. VA also has that. Of course, VA, you have to be eligible by serving in the military. The other product that we have is our conventional product, which requires only 3% down.
Now that's the one that, conventional is the product that used to always be 20% down, period.
Right.
Now look at it, 3%.
As low as 3%. And again,
Wow.
like I checked today, interest rates were as low as 2.625.
Unbelievable.
Yes,
amazing.
very, very, very low.
So even you can afford to buy a house right here in Hawaii.
Well, let me ask you something. You know, sometimes even when the interest rates are low, that you need a really high credit score. So what is the credit score that people need to get these type of rates?
Of course, credit plays a big part into how much you qualify for, as well as how great how good your interest rate is, of course. But of course, you want to have around the lowest you want to have is about 640.
Well, that's pretty good
Yeah.
too.
So
There was a time
exactly.
where 680 wouldn't
Mhm.
qualify.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, of course, at the same time too, we want to analyze your credit score, and
Yes.
maybe if we have some time, get you into a game plan where we can help you get your credit score up. You know, it's something we don't learn in high school or college. They don't teach us about how credit works.
That's true.
But
Yeah.
we can definitely guide you and help you get onto a game plan where we could get your credit score up.
You know, that's another plus. You're not just talking to a lender who's going to say yes or no, you can afford or you cannot. You're actually talking to a person who can give you a game plan. If you cannot afford now, perhaps it can tell you when you can afford and what you can do, right? In order to get there.
It's never a no, maybe no for now, but
Yeah.
we'll get you on your way.
All
Yeah,
right.
definitely.
You know, and the thing is that Brant will stick with you.
Yes.
He's not going to put you on the back burner and ignore you. And you know, here in Hawaii, if you only qualify for 500,000, which is a lot in the mainland, you're poor here.
Yeah.
That's kind of how it
That's
is.
low.
But we're not going to put you on the back burner. Neilani and I are going to treat you like a multi-million-dollar client, and so is Brant. And how long does it take to get somebody's credit going if they do what you tell them to do?
It could take anywhere from 2 to 6 months.
And then they're good to go.
Get you on your way. Yeah, definitely.
go.
You know, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you what, we're going to go ahead and stop here for part one. We want to make sure and keep these little classes short so that you stick with us till the very end. Please take the time to give us comments and tell us more about what you want to know. In the meantime, stick with us. We're going to bring Brant back for part two. Aloha.
Aloha.